Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Today we are making a meatless loaf that is a special recipe for this upcoming Thanksgiving, so no worries if you have still no clue what to cook for this occasion. It's packed with protein, serves 4 people and it will take us about an hour and a half to prepare this. Also, for the loaf we will need a Texas barbecue glaze that you can find the recipe in the description below. If you like the content guys, don't forget to give us those thumbs up and subscribe, and now let's get started. Thank you guys for watching, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts on this recipe. Like and subscribe to support our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below. Happy Thanksgiving guys, see you next time. May the plants be with you. Cheers!